boys and girls. Today I'm in a different state. I'm in Colorado. So we live in Illinois. So we started here in Illinois and we drove. We drove in our car. So we went through Missouri and all the way through Kansas and over into Colorado. So as you can see, I'm in the forest. So I thought today I would read a book called In the Forest. And I will also post some pictures of all of the animals that we see while we're here. What's in the forest? Many things in the forest are living. Tall trees started out as small seeds, growing and changing slowly over many years. The animals here are living too. They also grow and change. The ferns are living, so are the animals. Living things need food, water, and sun to grow. Some things in the forest are non-living, like these rocks. The rocks are not alive. The air isn't alive, and the water isn't alive either. Non-living things don't eat, they don't drink, and they don't need air. Look at the picture. Can you tell which things in the picture are living and which ones are non-living? What do you think about the deer or the rock? Which ones of those are living and which ones are not living? Changes in the forest. In the spring, the tree leaves are small. They're so small that they don't block the sunlight. The light pours into the forest. The sunlight helps flowers start to grow. The forest has a lot of new plants in the spring. Many animals are born in the spring. Their fur blends in with the forest floor to help them stay safe. So look at the little baby bunny. It is camouflaged so that and the baby foxes are camouflaged so that bigger predators can't get them. In the spring, a deer is born. Its fur is brown. Its color helps it to hide. Other babies are brown too. See the deer? It's harder for things to see it in the brown leaves. The forest becomes green and full during the long summer days. The leaves block the sunlight from reaching the forest floor. Fruits, berries, and nuts begin to grow in the summer. They will soon be ready to eat. I wonder what kind of animals eat berries in the forest. In the summer, animals eat the ripe fruits and berries that grow throughout the forest. The chatter of busy animals fills the air. Oh, so birds and beetles and even bears eat the berries in the forest. The forest is warm in the summer. More fruits grow and there is a lot of food to eat. In the fall, the days begin to get shorter and colder. There's less sun and the leaves start to lose their green color. Soon the leaves will drop. In the fall, leaves cover the forest floor. Look at the pretty colors on these trees. Do we see the leaves on our trees change colors where we live? Oh, this is one of my favorite animals from the forest. Chipmunks and squirrels gather acorns in the fall. They hide the nuts under leaves or in nests in their trees. Animals work hard in the fall. They save nuts to get ready for winter and eat later. Winter days are short and the sun is low in the sky. The animals slow down and the forest looks empty. The forest is quiet in the winter. It is cold and still. What is this that's covering all of the trees? Many animals hibernate in their dens in winter. They slow down their heartbeats and they sleep for a long time. Look at the little mouse hiding inside of its den for winter. In winter, some animals stay warm in their dens. Others sleep in caves. What's asleep in their cave here? What kind of animal is that? Your turn. Point to each picture and say what season it shows. Let's find spring. I think this one is spring. It's where it's just starting to turn green. Summer, everything's green. Fall, the leaves are starting to change colors. And winter is where everything's icy and snowy. Helping the forest. A beaver hauls a heavy log into the water. Each log helps it build a bigger and bigger wall. The wall makes a dam. Beavers build dams to keep their homes safe. A dam also helps stop the river from flowing. When the water doesn't flow, it forms a pond, and the water level rises. When the water level rises, more plants can grow. The beaver dam helps make new plants. A cardinal lands on a bush in the forest. The bush has bright red berries. The berries are food for the bird. Soon, the bird flies away. It will land in a new part of the forest. As the cardinal flies, it from the berries throughout the forest. The seeds scatter on the forest floor, and this will help make new flowers. Fish in the stream like cool water, but the sun is hot, so the trees help to shade the fish and help the water stay cool. Life in the forest. Animals in the forest live in many places. Some animals make their homes up high, and others live down low. A bird lives in a nest up high. A fox builds a den low to the ground. Although there are different types of plants and animals in the forest, they need each other to grow. Animals and plants need different things, but they all live together in the forest. Bye, friends!